farm may be guilty with this too. On our farm, we're always excited to get rolling on harvest and sometimes rushed to get it done. When you get rushed, how concerned are you with things like compaction? Today's Iron Talk has a few tips to managing harvest time compaction. There are load limits on roads that everyone has to obey. However, there should be load limits in the field as well. Putting 1,000 bushels of grain on a single axle grain cart and then driving it all over the field is just never a great idea, but it happens all the time. Limiting the weight that you're hauling at any one time is a critical step to reducing or eliminating compaction. Then we look at tire inflation and tire selection. It's all about the pounds per square inch you'll be placing on the soil. It seems elementary, but it often gets forgotten. By reducing the air pressure in your tires, you increase the amount of square inches of tire that touch the soil, thereby spreading out the weight of your load even more and reducing compaction. Of course, switching to tracks or adding more tires is a big help too. Finally, controlling the traffic patterns in the field makes your job of fixing compacted areas much easier. Brian and I visited a farm years ago where the operator said that he tells his seasonal and full-time farm help that he will fire them on the spot if they ever turn around even once in the middle of his fields. The best farmers take the extra step of planning harvest out. They determine in advance where the trucks will be filled and how to get the grain from the combine to the trucks so everyone's on the same page and traffic patterns in the field can be minimized. If you're already done with harvest, now is the time to get back in the fields and fix any compaction you created. Just make sure your tillage tool reaches below the deepest compaction layer to set yourself up for success with the next crop you plant. Yes, harvest season will always be a rush, but you can manage compaction before creating it by reducing the weight per axle, managing tire inflation and selection, and controlling traffic patterns. That's all our time for today's Iron Talk, but now back to the show.